new tools in the comments, but I bought this because I wanted to see how this worked with the new Lisle funnel holder. You know, I wanted to see how this. What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Holy smokes! We've got a big tool gig going on here today. So let's. You got some Lisle. Lisle goes green. Lisle went green. Motivx funnel, which is pretty interesting. Used by everyone. Designed for professionals. Used by everyone. We've got a battery tester. We've got a brake fluid tester. So we got 4 things here in the tool haul. Let's go ahead and jump right into this thing. Get punched into it. And Craftsman 10-pound sledgehammer. And this is a bullet nose sledgehammer that I had to get so I could start smacking some stuff around. But I was absolutely so impressed by this hammer. $11. When I bought it, it said made in Switzerland. Alright, so it's made in Vietnam, but still pretty nice. I still thought for the money. It even has a protector on the head right here, fiberglass handle. And this handle right here, this rubberized handle, is extremely nice, extremely comfortable. Look at this. Nice cushion to it. Nice cushion to it. So, yeah, I was absolutely... Well, first of all, baloney, 10-pound sledgehammer, bullet nose, ergonomic grip. But, yeah, we're gonna blast some stuff with this. I needed a bigger hammer. Actually, what happened was I broke my wooden hammer. And I needed to pick myself... I needed a new sledgehammer. So, this was on sale for, like, $39. Really, I thought it was a pretty sweet deal. Shipped for 39 bucks. That was a killer deal. Fiberglass handle. Oh, man, it's just... I mean, it's cold out. That's, you know what the thing is I like about this? I do like wood, but the thing I like about this this kind of composite material, or whatever they call this, what is it? What do they actually call this stuff? Just an ergonomic grip? Whatever. It doesn't say on here. But it's warm. It's not cold. I mean, everything else that's metal is cold. And then, of course, my wood handles are even a little bit chilly. This is actually holds heat better. It's been out here in the garage the whole damn time. I've been forgetting to put this on the video for like 2 months or whatnot. So I don't know if I'll slide this in with another video or what I'm going to do. But still, what a beast. And like I said, the handle, you just grips and slides. This handle is absolutely phenomenal. This rubber grip, very good texture on this one. I'm super impressed. Why do I get excited about tools? But is Craftsman making a comeback still? Yes, I believe. Honestly, I think this is better than any Craftsman tool ever was, in my opinion. But plenty heavy for me to swing on this. Not only that, I can get a little workout with this thing, you know, working my upper body, swinging the old sledge, maybe hit a few tires, take out some frustration. Guys, the old Craftsman sledgehammer. I don't know what a part number is on this. CMHT56019 coming at you. Get her done. All right, so we got a couple of new things we're going to do some stuff on here. We've got a brake fluid tester. Now, I've already gotten one brake fluid tester. This is going to be an additional one. We're going to kind of test on this. Now, if you guys don't know here, I will say this one's a lot nicer. I'll be honest with you. I'm pretty stoked to have this. This is kind of one of those things where a lot of people overlook. I think especially in the Midwest, where the temperature changes, get so low and then can fluctuate so bad because you can get moisture into this. This has a flashlight on the end. Let's open it. Well, believe it or not, I opened this thing all the way up here, and yeah, I don't have batteries for this. So we're just going to talk about it real quick, and then move on because I can't really display it. It's got an LCD light on it, which is nice. That's kind of nice for looking down in. High resolution display. This does multi-function brake fluid testing, but this is something that's overlooked. I see this a lot, and I've seen a ton of this. Brake fluid contamination and breakdown has been phenomenally grossly overlooked. Sorry. Sometimes I jumble my words, guys. I got kind of like ADHD deal going. But anyways, I check that quite frequently in some people's cars because I say, hey, you know, it'd be a good idea if this stuff's starting to look like crap, especially, you know, a lot of places overlook it. They don't look at it in shops and whatnot. A good shop would, so some shops don't. So anyways, Then we got battery testers, and this one is a OBD2 battery tester. It's an NT301 Plus Foxwell and Kingbolen. Now, keep in mind the Kingbolen stuff was sent to me by the Kingbolen, to be upfront and honest, and the Foxwell was sent to me by the Foxwell folks, whatever it was. And so this, we're gonna do a battery tester video, and we're gonna do a mini code reader tester video, and we have a ton of diagnostic stuff coming out. I mean, a ton. I have like 5 new scan tools, and we are gonna do a huge scan tool shootout. In fact, this is the worst scan tool I have, is a ThinkScan. This is a SR4. ThinkScan SR4. Really disappointed in this thing. Those guys sent it to me a long time ago. And actually, I got in a fight with the guy because I said, it's a piece of garbage. I don't even want to show it on my channel because there's nothing to talk about. It's a piece of junk. But I want to see if that ThinkScan, or this Foxwell, is better than that ThinkScan, because it is half the price of that ThinkScan. So that's something I want to look at. And we'll see if this has a battery tester plus it's OBD2. So why would you buy the SR4? That's kind of my deal. And then we also have the YA200, which is also sent by Kingbolen. So Kingbolen, thank them guys for sending this stuff over to us. We appreciate that. We're going to take a look at this and look at it. OBD2 and Canon hand scanner, because we want to do a mini shootout for guys that want to just buy basic code readers and learn some stuff, and then some affordable battery testers. And I do have a very nice high-end battery tester from Solar, so I want to compare the accuracy of these towards that. Kind of some. This is going to be kind of some simple test videos, I guess, to verify, because I've been curious if these little testers are actually as accurate as the bigger testers. That's really my my whole reasoning behind this, and I wasn't really out looking for it. But then when they offered this up to me and said, "Hey, we want it," I said, "Well, this will be good, because then I can actually look at this side by side and see, hey, are these little testers worth the crap?" Because I've always been skeptical of them. Maybe you have too. So look for those videos to come up here in the next week or two. All right. So our next thing is, and this came up because a subscriber of mine had tagged me and said, "Hey, I heard that Vim only makes these." Vim makes these funnels, and I said, no, they don't. I said, this is a manufacturer in Taiwan, right there, made in Taiwan, Motivx, MX2308B1, and the link for the description for all this stuff will be there. You don't have to buy the scan tool stuff if you don't want to right now, or if you're not looking for it. I'll put the link for the description for this stuff, for this one, because there's going to be another video on that, and I'm not saying that this stuff, I'm not giving my word of advice on this stuff being good, but this right here, however, is a nice tool. And the reason why I bought this, because what you see, I had Lisle new tools in the comments, but I bought this because I wanted to see how this worked with the new Lisle funnel holder. I wanted to see how this would, and you can see right there, this works beautiful. So this is now the match pair. And also, if you guys know, Lisle has the same type of funnel that fits into this neck of this. So I was kind of curious if I could change these cups out for different stuff. So we're going to do another video on kind of that for oil funnel stuff, if there's enough traction on it and you guys want to see that. But the new Lisle oil funnels are phenomenal. I like the wider mouth on them. I've always liked the 310 funnels, but this new upgrade with the Lisle funnels and the magnets are just as strong as the Lisle funnel, or the 310 tool ones. So I'm pretty stoked to have that. But this is nice because you can just set it down in there quick and dirty on your oil, in your oil fill cap. Now, the one thing is, these holes are a little bit smaller than the quick fill funnel setup from the Lisle tools, because they're a little broader mouth down here. So I don't know if these will fill as fast as those, but nonetheless, still a nice funnel kit. And I think this was $30. Now, back to the other thing is, they're manufactured in Taiwan. You guys are smart enough to know, a lot of you on my tool channel, or on my channel now, that, if somebody's making it, chances are there's 9 other people making it. The Vim one they're selling for $50, which I think is ridiculous, because this one's $29.95 from Motivx. There will be a link in the description of it, but this is nice. This is actually kind of handy, to be honest with you, because I don't have to sit there and twist it. I can just pop it down in there and put that in there when I want to fill oil on it. And very cool, very nice, simple setup. Got a lock on the back of it, keep it shut. Clean it out, put a rag down in there if you want to, but this is the best price I could find on one, and it's the same as the Vim, so why not? All right, last but not least, we have the Radiator Genie. Now, I was actually kind of blown away by this when I got this. Now, let me get the little paper out here so I can kind of get over the bullet points for you guys. This is the Radiator Genie, and you don't know what this is. To blow out radiators, your fans and stuff. Now I have the IPA air comb. If you know what that is, if not, I'll try to put a picture in the description there. But the IPA air comb is what I use, and they have 2 of these. What Lisle has done is they have bought this company. It is not a new tool per se, but it is a new tool to Lisle Tools. And this is the Radiator Genie and the Water Genie. And you buy this 2-piece kit right here. Now, I don't remember what the price is. Once again, I apologize. You'll have to look at the link in the description for this. But this is the air one, and this is the water one. And from what I understand, a lot of guys do like these things. Blowout air filters. This one has a little bit different tip than the IPA. I will tell you that. They have a nice flattened tip that really pushes the air out there, as you see. And the water Genie is kind of the same situation there. Little flat wide tip. They got a nice sturdy handle, and they're lockable handles too. So if you don't want to sit there and hold them, you can always lock them in and just let them do work. But they push out some power. I seen the video from Lisle guy sent me, was the video of this being used, and obviously it's kind of wintertime here, so I'm not going to be able to use the Water Genie right now. So could have done the air one, but I will probably show it in another video at some point of doing some cleaning, because I've showed the IPA one before. I really like the IPA air comb because it has little divots right there, so it has a longer area where it blows air out, so it covers a bigger surface area. But this one actually is supposed to cover a wider surface area than the IPA because of the tip on this being wider. It fans out more. So I'm interested to try those out side by side and see which one's the king of blowing. Which one? We know who the king of blowjobs is. That's without a doubt. The Derelict's the king of blowjobs, but we want to see the king of blowguns. So that's the tool. That's a tool video for you today. The new Lisle tools. Lisle bought up this Genie, the Radiator Genie and the Water Genie company, and so we got this stuff here. They sent this over to me. I was blown away when I seen it. I didn't even know what the heck was going on. To be honest with you, I had to ask them. I was like, "Hey, what's going on here?" But yeah, you can clean out where nothing else can with these. So remember, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.